What is better, a motor yacht or a sailing yacht? Welcome to part 186 of the Yachting Playbook. A motor yacht is about control, because you decide where to go, when to leave and how fast you want to arrive. Sailing yacht is about the journey, because if you sail, the wind sets the pace. Sailing yachts of course use less fuel and can be very quiet under sail, but a mast can limit access to some ports and anchorages if you need to pass a bridge, for example. And then there are catamarans. Catamarans offer a lot of space for their length. They are very stable and comfortable at anchor. That makes them popular for charter. The trade-off is efficiency when sailing. Catamarans do not sail as efficiently into the wind, and their wide beam will make docking more expensive. They're all different concepts, and I'm interested to learn which one you prefer.